This video is about to make money with your rich pins on Pinterest. Now, in case you didn't know, rich pins sync information from your website to your Pinterest account, and therefore, one way to make money with them is selling your own products or services from your shopping site. And you can sell like everything from physical products and digital products to offering advice and security tasks. The second way to making money with your Pinterest rich pins is through affiliate marketing. And you just need to join an affiliate program of a company and sell their products or services through your website and rich pins and earn a commission. Another way to make money with your rich pins on Pinterest is creating sponsored content. And you just need to partner with a brand, then you promote their products or services through your website content and rich pins and get paid. The next way to make money with your rich pins on Pinterest is through Fanfunding. And this involves just asking for donations from your audience or followers through your website and rich pins. In addition, you can make money with your Pinterest rich pins through the Pinterest Creator Fund and the rewards. And you need to create engaging video rich pins and show that you are serious with creating content on Pinterest to qualify for the Creator Fund and the rewards. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Pinterest and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.